Hello everyone, so in this video, let's talk about the first problem from the Codeforces round 1072 div 3, problem named social experiments. So the problem statement goes like this. You right now has the largest social experiment in history of Codeforces taking place involving n people. There is a requirement to form teams of 2 or 3 people, after which each team chooses one of the two civilizations to participate in a social experiment. The organizers of this social experiment wants to know that what are the possible difference in the number of people in the civilization could be, find the minimum possible difference. Cool. So what you can see here is that you have a social experiment in the history of Codeforces. It has n people. It required to form teams of 2 to 3 people. So you can form teams of 2 to 3 people, and you have to choose one of the two civilizations. So let's assume there is civilization A, civilization B. These teams have to choose, either have to go to civilization A or civilization B. The organizers want that the possible difference in the number of people in the civilization should be as minimal as possible. So let's assume some T1 goes here, T2 goes here, T3 goes here, and so what. I just want that the number of people in the end, the difference between these two civilizations should be as minimum as possible. For the very A problem, always take some examples and some small logical thinking. It will be very easy. So let's take that I have only 2 people. If I have only 2 people, what is the difference? Because I can form teams of 2 or 3 people, so 2 people, I cannot form team of 1 people. So if I have civilization A and civilization B, both should go to one civilization only, because that should form one team. So the answer will be 2 only. Why? Because one civilization is 2, other civilization is 0. There is no team here. So no team. So this civilization has 2 people. This civilization has 0 people. The difference between them is 2. Got it? Now, so 2 is, so for the answer for 2 is 2. For answer of 3, again, if you have 3, I cannot have that 2 people form one group here and 1 people go here now, because one cannot be one team. So again, both of them has to, like all the 3 has to go here. There is no people here. So again, 3 minus 0 will be 3. So for 3 as well, there is again, the difference will be 3. Let's go to 4. If you have 4 people, 2 will be here and 2 will be here. So will answer will be 0. For 5, if you have 5, 3 will be here, 2 will be here, so answer will be 1. If you have 6, let's remove some out part out. If you have 6, 3 will be here, 3 will be here, 0. 7, for 7, 4 will be here, 3 will be here, answer will be 1. 8, for 8, 4 people will be here, 4 people will be here, that's 0. So now it is just fluctuating. Like, because with 2 and 3, I can always get a difference of 1 or 0. But for the first two, the answer will be for 2, so they cannot be 1, because 1 cannot be divided into any group. So n should be greater than equal to 2. 2 answer 2, 3 equal to 3, and for all the other things, it's just fluctuating. That's it. It's actually the overall problem that you have to just find it out. That for, because why this actually ends up happening is because for more than 3, you can easily divide them into 2 groups with even or odd, because 2 and 3 can be able to form these type of groups, because you can easily divide a multiple of 2 into both the groups, and whatever 3 is left, you can put it there. So either the difference can be 2 if they're evenly, like you can equally divide it at the both places, and if some extra 1 is left, you can put it like this, and you can get a difference of 1 only. So it could be either 0 or 1. So pretty much simple here. So the code part is again pretty much simple. If I'll show you, for n equal to 2, 2, n equal to 3, 3, and for more than equal to 4, it's just mod 2, like it should be even or odd. That's it. That's the complete logic and code part for this particular problem. I think so. I hope you understand the logical code part for this particular problem. I'll see you in the next one. Till coding, and bye.